Hi, Mr Wright here. This summer's IGCSE exams are fast approaching. Make sure you're ready to get your best grade by joining one of my live revision sessions. Scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the description. Right, let's get on with today's question. Okay, right angle triangles, angles and sides. I'm thinking trigonometry. I'm thinking SOHCAHTOA. Okay, let's have a look. ABC is a right angled triangle. Yes, I can see that. D is a point on BC. Yes, I can see that. AB has a length of 4250. BAD, where's that? BAD, yes, that one's marked, is 47. And BCA, that's also marked at 24. Work out the length of DC. So this is my target length here. Need to work out that length. Well, I can't see how to do that immediately, but I can see that I could work out the length of BD. Let's draw out that triangle here. I'm going to use triangle ABD. This triangle here. I've got a right angle, 4250, 47 degrees here, and I'm looking to work out this length here from B to D. Well, I'm going to use tan, and I'll find the opposite. So the opposite, BD, will be tan the angle multiplied by 4,250. Right, tan the angle, tan 47, close the bracket, times by 4250, gives me BD as 4557.567, and so on. So now I know BD. Aha! Can I find, by analysing the whole of the triangle, i.e. A, B to C, can I find the length of the base of that, the length of BC? Because if I can, then I can subtract away BD and I'll get what I want. That's 24, that's 4250, look at that. So I think I can find BC. I think it's going to be tan again. This time I'm looking to find the adjacent. So BC will be the opposite, 4250, divided by tan 24. Right. 4250 over tan 24, close the bracket on the tan. So that is 9545.656, and so on. I'll keep that whole number on my calculator. So what I'm looking for is the length of DC. So that is going to be my long length, the red length. DC will be 9545.656, and so on. Take away 4557.567, and so on. 4557.567 gives me an answer of 4988.089, and so on. Correct to the nearest integer, 4,988 or 89? 88. And that is 4 marks on a question 12. And that is a SOHCAHTOA question solved. I hope you found that useful, and if you did, hit like, give me some positive feedback, and tell me in the comments, how's your revision going, and is there anything I can do to help you get your best grade this summer? Thanks for watching. See you in the next film.